The note of apples, red and green, the noisiest fruit you're ever gonna see. Crunchy, juicy, sweet and bright. Take a bite.
Feels just right.
Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. Eat them fresh or in a tree. Red and yellow, green, so bright.
Nutrition, yeah, an apple a day sounds about perfect. Some are red and some are green.
Some are yellow in between.
Fuji Gala, golden too.
Granny Smith is sour, who knew? On apples, apples, round and small. Pick them up and gobble them all. In a pie or as a treat. Apples make life super sweet. Apples grow in the orchard, on tall trees row by row.
Blossoms bloom in spring.
Afterward, fruit crunch.
Too soon.
Rockford apples, red and green. The tastiest fruit you ever lay eyes on. Eat them, they're good for you. Happy and healthy, big and brave. Apples make you strong every day. It makes you run, jump, laugh, and play.
Full of fiber, good for me.
1, 2, 3, eat an apple. Apples, happily, fresh and bright. Take a bite,
Feels just right.
great for breakfast, snack time or more. Apples are what we adore.
Apple juice is nice and sweet. Tootie date me. I put a lot of time into these dates. Sugar and spice apple pie. Didn't you know? Oh yeah, that is true.
Apples can be pink and blue. Apples, apples, let us sing. Crunchy, tasty, such a thing. Eat them fresh, eat them now. Forget apples are what we say, wow.
Wow. They're redder than a big red beet. Yeah.
Just take a bite, crisp and sweet. Sing along one more time. Apples, apples, they're amazing. Get educational highlights from the song.
Learning colors and different types of apples.
Explains how apples grow, promotes healthy eating. Fun apple facts for kids. Preschool, reading kids, toddlers, and more will love this song. The note of apples, red and green. The noisiest fruit you're ever gonna see. Crunchy, juicy, sweet and bright. Take a bite and feels just right. Crunchy, juicy, sweet and bright. Take a bite and feels just right. Apples, happily, fresh and bright. Take a bite, feels just right. Great for breakfast, snack time or more. Apples are what we adore. Apples.
Apple song. Redder than a big red beet. Just take a bite, crisp and sweet. Sing along one more time.
Apples, apples, they're amazing. Educational highlights from the song. The noisiest fruit you're ever gonna see. Crunchy, juicy, sweet and bright. Take a bite and feels just right. Apples, apples, 1, 2, 3. Eat them fresh or in a tree. Red and yellow, green, so bright. Nutrition, an apple a day sounds about perfect. Some are red and some are green.
Some are yellow in between.
Fuji Gala, golden too. Granny Smith is sour, who knew? On apples, apples, round and small. Pick them up and gobble them all. In a pie or as a treat. Apples make life super sweet.
Apples grow in the orchard, on tall trees row by row.
Blossoms bloom in spring. Afterward, fruit crunch too soon. Brought forth apples, red and green. The tastiest fruit you ever laid eyes on. Eat them, they're good for you. Happy and healthy, big and brave. Apples make you strong every day. It makes you run, jump, laugh, and play. Full of fiber, good for me. 1, 2, 3, eat an apple. Apples, happily, fresh and bright. Take a bite and feels just right. Great for breakfast, snack time or more. Apples are what we adore. Apples, apples, let us sing. Crunchy, tasty, such a thing. Eat them fresh, eat them now. Forget apple, what we say, wow, wow. better than a big red beak. Just take a bite, crisp and sweet. Sing along one more time. Apples, apples, they're amazing.